EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
In this tutorial, we are going to create a simple project called Sound Alert When Button Pressed. For this experiment, we will require one push button, one piezo buzzer, one 9-volt battery, a battery connector, a breadboard, and some connecting wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. First, take the breadboard and place the push button across the center gap of the breadboard as shown. Next, place the piezo buzzer on the breadboard. Make sure that both terminals of the buzzer are inserted properly into separate rows. Now, take a jumper wire and connect one terminal of the push button to the positive rail of the breadboard. After that, take another jumper wire and connect the second terminal of the push button to the circuit as shown. Next, connect the positive terminal of the piezo buzzer to the push button using a jumper wire. Then connect the negative terminal of the piezo buzzer to the negative power rail of the breadboard. Carefully check all the connections and ensure that the wiring matches the circuit diagram. Now, take the 9-volt battery and attach it to the battery connector. Connect the red wire of the battery connector to the positive rail of the breadboard. Similarly, connect the black wire of the battery connector to the negative rail of the breadboard. Our sound alert circuit is now ready. Let's test the project. As you can see, when the push button is not pressed, the circuit remains open and the piezo buzzer does not produce any sound. Now, press the push button. As soon as the button is pressed, the circuit gets completed and electric current starts flowing through the piezo buzzer. The buzzer immediately generates a sound alert. This sound continues as long as the push button is pressed. When the button is released, the circuit opens again and the sound stops instantly.